Ito pa, isang alaga ko.
Alaga mo rin to?
Tinetrain ko to. Tinetrain ko to para gumandang
Pananalita.
pananalita.
Tsaka buhay. Ang buhay niya.
Buhay, oo. Kamusta ang buhay?
So good.
What good?
Very much
Why do
good.
you say it's so good?
I'm enjoying my lifestyle now.
What's your lifestyle?
You know, when I'm outside, lots of people know me like that.
Yeah?
Yes.
What do the people say?
Hope yeah, I watch you like that.
Hope yeah, I watch.
I watch you.
I watch you.
Yes.
And you're happy naman.
I'm so much flattered and happy on what's going on.
Spell flattered.
Natutuwa.
Totoo. Okay. Smells like putok. What's that?
Yes, bossy.
Oh, it's you.
Yes. Oh, I use deodorant.
Okay, go. Eh, nakakalimutan na naman. Kasi hindi dapat pala kinakausap to. Nandun sa isang tabi to, memorize yan. Pag kinausap mo, nawawala. Okay, go.
It's part of growing.
You remember now?
Yes, I
Okay,
know.
go.
To start this Valentine's week, I remember.
Ha? Mali.
Opo. To start this Valentine's week, mali. Ay.
Sige, Valentine's week.
To start this Valentine's week, I have again. Ala, can I get my bossing?
What?
Can I get my copy?
Ha?
Can I get my coding? I forgot eh.
You forget. Where is it? Okay, Anjo will get it for you. It's about Valentine.
Yes, because this is the week for Valentine's.
So? Okay, go. What's that?
Of course, I have...
You have makeup. Concealer. Okay, go.
To start this week, I have two food
Ay,
that...
forgot.
Yes, forgot. Ay, hindi. To start this Valentine's week, I have two food that are not sweet but are always together.
Have two food.
Two food.
Food.
Food. Yes. Tokwat
Yeah, what
baboy.
food?
Food. Tokwa. Tsaka
Food?
Oh, food. Ay, pagkain, concealer. Ay,
Oo, concealer.
two food that are tokwat baboy. Hope you like it.
Yun lang pala. Ano pa yun? I'm starting the Valentine's week with two food that are not sweet but are always together. Tokwat baboy. Hope ya like it. Yun lang.
And look at the hand. Scold. Like dead already.
Oh, saksak mo sa baga mo. Ang bira. Oh, yan ha. Hindi ka
Yeah.
namin istorbohin. Nakapag-practice ka mabuti.
Nananahimik lang kami, ha?
Quiet lang kami.
Hindi kami mangungulit.
Wala kaming sasabihin. Okay?
Yes. Hi, bossing. Hi, Anjo.
Basta wala.
Yes. I have here...
Tahimik lang kami rito.
Opo, makikinig.
Sa salita ka lang
Sasalita
dyan.
na po.
Oo.
I have here...
Tahimik lang kami, hindi
Opo,
kami.
opo. Ay. Go po.
Hindi,
Ay.
kanina pa. Oh.
I have here
Dito na, steady lang kami
Opo.
rito.
I have here the famous combination of gifts that...
Oh, kita mo na. Tahimik na nga kami na. Okay, one more time.
One more
Take
time.
two.
Opo, go.
3, 2, go.
Go. I have here the perfect
Bilisan
combination...
mo.
I have here the famous combination of gifts that are usually given this season of love. A perfect present for your girlfriend, boyfriend, and to everyone. Roses and chocolates. Happy Valentine's Day, Bossing and Anjo. Hope you like it.
Did you like it?
Not really.
Oh, hati tayo dito. Para hindi na tayo bumili.
Plastic yan.
Ilan ba sa'yo?
Plastic ba yan? Baka puro tinik yan.
Ikaw, wag na, mag-pretzel ka na lang. Interviewin muna natin itong alag. Pare, kita mo naman, ha? Ba na yan?
Uy! Anong Ano to, mga paborito natin? Ano meron tayo?
Hi, Tito Joey. Hi, Anjo. I have here a classic Filipino dish that every Pinoy loves to eat. Putot dinuguan. Hope you like it. Belated Happy Valentine's, Tito Joey.
Happy Valentine. Kaya Advent dugo pa. Oh, Valentine pa eh. Okay, dinuguan. Kasabay ng pag-ulan. Umuulan sa labas. Uy.
Hi, Bossing and Tito Joey. Here's what I have. Filled with softness and sweetness in every bite. Ito po. A pastry that, ito, donut. A pastry that will, yes, I am. A pastry that will, okay. A pastry that will, no. A pastry that will give you instant delight. Oh, it's donut. Hope you like it.
Ikaw ba
Nangyari?
pina-check up mo na sa doktor yan? Yung medyo, hindi naman diferensya yan, pero yung medyo
Diferensya na
mali-mali
rin
ito
yun.
eh.
Nakakahawa yan eh.
Mali-mali.
Oo, nakakahawa lang to.
Ano
Hindi ako
sabi?
nagdidikit dito.
Yung ba yung pinatingnan mo sa mga manggagamot?
Hindi pa po. No,
Ba't di mo patignan?
no budget.
No, buddy?
Mahal
O
po,
budget?
Tito.
Wala kang
Budget.
kilala ng doktor?
Wala po.
Dr. Iliana,
Mali-mali.
pa-check up mo nga ito.
Ako nga may show, wow, mali eh. Pero hindi ko magamot yung mga ganyan eh.
Hindi mo ba sakop
Hindi,
yung
hindi
mga
ko
ganyan?
sakop to eh.
Ha? Bale, pag-aralan natin.
Pag-aralan natin, baka may alam kayo.
Paano?
Ginugulat ata talaga yan eh. Hoy! Oh, parang gano'n eh.
Parang lalo lumalala pag gano'n.
Hindi ko...
Hindi.
Di ba?
Kaya
Di ba ganun?
kumbaga parang sinasyak, kinukuryente, gano'n. Pati natin isaksak sa
Hindi,
220 ito.
kasabihan po yan, pag kayo'y sinipon, magpahamog kayo at
Oo.
gagaling. Kunyari, may hangover kayo sa pag-inom, uminom uli kayo.
Totoo ba
Yan
yan?
sabi. Yun ang kasamihan eh. Yun ang
Ano
igamot
natin
po.
kay sa Julia? Na.
Isa bang dakilang manginginom yan.
Pero tama yun, sabi naman nung ano.
Pag iniwanan kayo ng asawa, abay, magpaiwan o kayo uli.
Oh, yun, tama.
Ganon.
Tama
ba
rin
yun?
yun. Ba, sangayon lahat si Ruby.
Ganon daw. Kung anong pinagmulan nyo ng igamot.
Ilang beses ka na ba iniiwan na asawa mo? Apat na.
Aba, ang tagal naman ng paggagamot mo.
Ah, matagal yung therapy mo, ha?
Oo.
Nakakaapat ka na, ha?
Iiwanin?
Ah,
Iiwanin?
sinusunod yung payo mo. Eh.